Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first episode of the 50,000 Naira life accounts challenge. I'm going to be doing a review of what I've done so far the week, that was this past week, starting from Monday 4th of March. So the first trade that I took was an hour I was taken out. I didn't enter that trade with a confirmation. I think that's the reason why I lost that trade. I lost 14k on that trade. Yes, and when I waited for a confirmation, I took another buy, GBP USD, and it was a smooth ride. I was just patiently waiting for my entries, so I took another buy there. I was also risking 15k there. So in a few hours I took 33k in profit. I took my profit that night, and the following day, that's 5th of March, on Wednesday, I took a sale on USD JPY. I've been waiting for that setup for quite a while. I was patiently waiting for that setup, and that was the reason why I re-entered, because I took two entries. I took the first entry during London section around 7 o'clock Nigerian time. I took the first entry. I was risking 15k on the first entry. I don't normally take my entries on London sections, but on that particular trade I was waiting for it. So it happened that my confirmation happened. It happened that my confirmation occurred during London section. Yes, my confirmation occurred during London section, so I had to just risk 15k on that trade. I took a sell. It was a sell. So towards the PM session, the Union session, the market was quite reversing. It came back to my entry and gave me another confirmation. That was the usual confirmation I used to trade, so I had to enter again. Risking around 15k there, yes. And I exited that trade in profits. I exited that trade in 70k in profits. Yes, I think so. Yeah, 70k in profits. And there is a mistake that I made. I don't usually take entries, as in I don't take a trade after I've taken a profit, especially on that same day. But I was tempted to risk my profits, some of my profits rather. I risked 15k on Bitcoin, BTC USD. I was hitting 15k. I took a sell, and the market took me out. So that was when I knew that I was doing something very wrong. So the next day, that was 6th March. The next day, I took a buy during New York session. I took a buy on USD card. I was risking 13k on that trade. I took a buy. Every fiber in me was telling me that this trade is a buy, but I think that was a buy limit. I think so. That market, it was a buy limit. I think so. It was a buy limit, and when I usually set buy limit is when I'm seeing a good pattern. That's a pattern that I know that happens all the time, and I saw that pattern during that time when I wanted to trade USD card. So I think I set my buy limit that was risking 13k, because I think my stop loss was less than 20 pips. I usually use 20 pips, but my stop loss was less than 20 pips. That was the reason why I took the buy limit. I set the buy limit, and I was thinking that I lost 13k on that trade. So I didn't trade again till 7th, and that was the only trade I took that day. I think I didn't trade again till 7th. So I took a sell on Bitcoin again. Remember, I took a sell on Bitcoin on 5th, so I took another sell on 7th. I was risking 15k. With all my confirmation was met when I was trading Bitcoin as at that point. That was around New York London section, I think so. I took a sell, and the market was riding smoothly. It was riding very, very smoothly, and I got another confirmation to scale up. I wanted to scale up, like adding more positions to my other positions. I was risking 13k on the second entry. So the market went to profit for some time and started reversing. So it was reversing to the extent that I started losing confidence in what I was doing. Actually, I was losing confidence in what I was doing, because I saw my profits was around 50-60k on the first entry before I took the second entry. But when it started reversing, so I just became scared. I just had to close the two trades. I closed the two of them. So I lost 13k on the second entry, and I took 34k on the first entry. So if you do the plus and minus, it is around 21k. So I left the market with 21k. The same day I took a sell, and that was around in the morning, early in the morning. I don't trade early in the morning, around 5-6 o'clock or before 4 o'clock. I can't really remember. I was risking 13k and I lost it just like that. So that is the recap of what I did last week from 4th to 7th. From 4th to 7th, and before the weekend I was holding a sell trade on Bitcoin. So I'll give the latest updates by the end of the week and what I'm actually trading now, because I have a few trades that is running. I don't trade on Mondays, but I have a few trades that is running in profit. I'll soon close it because I don't trade on Mondays, so I'll just close it when I see a profit that I'm okay with. Like this video, subscribe and share, because I'll be dropping hot content here. This 50k challenge, I don't know how I'll take it, how I'll continue to trade this account, but by the end of last week my balance was 118k. I withdrew 80k, leaving 38k or thereabouts in the account. I withdrew 80k. So this 80k is just to motivate me to follow my plans, because while trading forex you have to have a trading plan. So I have my plans all scaled out. So this 80k just to motivate me to keep to the plan. That's to keep to my rules, so I don't break them to lose this account. So more of this will be coming. Thank you very much.